Hey everybody, so today we are doing a fall clean and decorate with me. This is like one of my favorite videos to do every fall. I love decorating for fall because it's my favorite season, and I just love the way my house feels with all the fall decorations. I am wearing Baby River here. He'll hopefully just stay asleep while we start decorating. And then here are the 2 bins of our fall decoration. My husband got these out of the garage for me. So I'm gonna open these up. Plus I have some new stuff that's not in these bins. And for my cleaning today, I'm gonna be using the new Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in pumpkin. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you guys know that Brylan and I love pumpkin scented stuff, so we're really excited about the new Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin scent. And if you guys are interested, you guys know that I love to work with Grove. I'm doing a special deal with them where you guys can get a free set of Mrs. Meyer's products. You get the hand soap, dish soap, and the multi-surface spray and any of their seasonal scents. There's the pumpkin scent, mum scent, which I also love, and then they also have an apple cider scent. And you're also gonna get the Grove dish brush. But if you want to learn how to get all that stuff for free, I'll have the link below so you can go ahead and do that, or you can just keep watching and I'll talk more about it in the video. When I'm decorating for fall or just during the fall time, I love putting on a fall scene. This is one on YouTube by The Silent Watcher. I really like his nature videos that he does. So this is one of my favorite fall ones. There's like, shows different fall scenes and just kind of puts you in the mood. And then I'm also going to be playing a record. For goodness sake, what are we waiting for? So first I wanted to show you what our living room looks like before we put all the fall decor up. And the first thing I like to do when I'm decorating is take out all my decor. So I'm opening up my 2 bins and I'm sorting all of my decorations. So I'm putting all the floral stuff in a pile, all the linens in a pile, my harvest signs go together, and then all my pumpkins are in a pile, etc. This just helps me to have everything organized, and as I'm decorating, I can easily grab things and know where they're at. Okay, so now I just sorted all my fall decor so I could see what I have. This is everything. So in this bag, we just have a bunch of pine cones, and this is just kind of like random stuff. The wreath that I made, have a tutorial on this in my DIY fall Dollar Tree decor ideas video. I'll have that linked below and in the card above. And then like I just have these little birds and just like I said, random stuff. These are all my harvest fall signs. I have some scent packets there, kind of just like some filler small floral stuff. 2 wreaths, that one was a DIY from last year. I'll have that video linked in the card above too. That's a Dollar Tree DIY, and you can still find the supplies for at the Dollar Tree this year, so you can still make that. And I have this stuff, which is for the kitchen, so I just put it on the chair. And then all of my pumpkins, which is like my favorite thing to decorate with. And then out here in the living room, I just have some pillows. I wanted to show you guys also all my flowers that I got from Hobby Lobby. First, we're gonna be decorating my entryway. I decided to put these little pumpkins inside this container, and these I got from Kirkland's last year. If I can find anything online, I will link it in the description below. So be sure to check there if you're interested in anything. And this little white harvest pumpkin sign my mom got for me last year. And then I'm moving on to my entry table. I'm switching out the candle to put in a leaves candle, which is my favorite Bath & Body Works scent ever. I love this one, especially during the fall time. And I also got this little leaf magnet for the top of the candle from Bath & Body Works. I'm also adding this Happy Harvest sign that I got from Kirkland's last year. And then my little cow spool. You guys know that we love to decorate with cows. I love the whole farmhouse theme. And then I am just cleaning off my entry table with my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and the scent pumpkin. Lastly, for my entryway, I'm just adding this leaf sign that I made a few years ago. I believe I have a tutorial on it, so I'll have that linked below as well. Then moving on to our bookshelf, I'm just taking everything off the top of it so that I can clean it with my Mrs. Meyer's pumpkin multi-surface cleaner. And I wanted to tell you guys more about Grove. I've been using Grove Collaborative now for about a year and a half to purchase all my cleaning supplies. I love it because they have more of the natural toxic-free type products that I like to use, and I'm just able to add stuff to my cart and have it shipped to my door whenever I want, and it just makes it really easy so I never have to run out of my cleaning supplies, or I don't need to make any of those quick stops to the store. Everything just comes to my door. Right now, if you sign up for Grove Collaborative as a new customer and you place a $20 or more order, you can get a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, hand soap, multi-surface cleaner in whatever fall scent you want. They have mum, pumpkin, and apple cider. And you'll get the Grove Collaborative dish brush, free shipping, and a free VIP trial of their service. All for free, which is awesome. This is such a great deal. It's over $30 worth of product for free. So I definitely recommend you check it out if you've never tried out Grove before. Transferred little River to his bouncer because he was getting fussy in the carrier. Now he's just gonna watch me decorate, right? Yeah? Are you gonna watch Mommy decorate for fall? Yeah? Are you talking to the camera? Yeah! Yeah. Oh. Then I am cleaning off my chalkboard that I keep on our bookshelf because I wanted to add a new design. The thing that it said on there before was Home of the Brave, which was 4th of July, so I definitely wanted to update it. And I actually just decided to draw some pumpkins on it. Then I'm placing this back on my bookshelf, adding my tray that I had on there and my little vase. And then I had this Give Thanks to the Lord sign that I'm putting next to my galvanized tray. And then I wanted to add a leaf garland to this as well. And the leaf garland is from the Dollar Tree. Then I was trying to decide which floral stems to put in the vase. So I tried out these pumpkins, these florals that I had from last year, but then I ended up going with some cotton stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then moving on to the rest of the bookshelf, I just decided to add some pumpkins on each shelf. And then I also had this little autumn bird that I think we got from Marshall's last year that I put in one of the cubbies. Then moving on to this area of the living room, I decided to clean off the little table here, and I'm going to add some decor in a minute. But then I'm taking all my fall florals that I got this year from Hobby Lobby, and I was deciding which ones I wanted to put in these vases. I love changing out the floral stems of these vases each season. I went with this like mixed autumn branch that I got, and I cut it up into different pieces, so I just had a bunch of smaller stems. So I'm adding those in first. And then I love sunflowers. They're actually one of my favorite flowers. So I decided to put that in the front of each vase. And then I also have this lamb's ear, which I think looks so cool. So I'm putting that in the back, and I kind of wanted it to be taller coming out of each vase. Then for this little table we have here, I'm adding this buffalo check fabric that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I have this little Give Thanks miniature loaf pan sort of thing that I put some coasters in. I thought that would be cute. And I didn't decorate my TV stand or the little record table. I decided to keep those as they were. And then for the love seat, I am just fixing the blanket that we had on there because I wanted to keep that on there. And then I'm putting out some fall pillows, and I'm also taking one of those leaf garlands and putting it on the decor piece I have above the love seat. And I'm just cleaning off the couch because I was kind of using it as an area to put all the decor I was using. And I am going to be making some pillows with some fabric that I got from Hobby Lobby for the couch here. It's kind of like a blue buffalo check print, but I haven't made them yet, so you'll see that in our home tour when I post that. But I did decide to take this fluffy white throw that we have, and I was trying to figure out how I wanted to place it on there. Finally, I settled on this look. But if you guys have any tips for placing throws on couches, I would love your tips because I always feel like I don't know what I'm doing. And then I decided to place these little throw pillows on the ottoman over here. And then I have this harvest sign that I made a couple years ago, which I believe I also have a tutorial on, so I will link that below. And then I am just dusting off our coffee table, adding some more of that black and white buffalo check. And I have our little caddy right here with all our remotes and coasters in it. And I decided to use a little pumpkin spice tea tin to put our stuff in there. And lastly, I needed to put our wreath on our front door. This was a DIY I did last year. It's a Pottery Barn dupe, and it lights up too, which you don't see here, but I'll show you in our home tour when it's lit up. But be sure to check out that video as well if you want to learn how to make this. Last thing I needed to do was to vacuum the whole entryway and living room, so I'm just going to do that.
Something's wrong, I waited up, wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me.
And now our living room is all clean and decorated, and this is what it looked like afterwards. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. It just feels so much more cozy in our living room, and now this is my favorite room. I just want to be in there all the time.
Stars are bright, they call you up just to hear your voice.
Alright everybody, so that is my clean and decorate with me for fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn those notifications on if you haven't already to see more videos from myself and my husband and videos with our baby River. Make sure to come back next week for #Fall Fridays because I'm going to be doing my full fall home tour. So if you want to see everything we did today, plus my dining room, kitchen, even my guest bathroom, and our master bedroom, be sure to come back for that. And remember to go take advantage of that Grove deal. You're gonna get over $30 worth of products for free. Get your fun fall scented Mrs. Meyer's goodies and that Grove dish brush by spending $20 or more on Grove as a new customer. And make sure to use my link below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.
It's been from